All right, my beautiful friends, here we are. It is Thursday, November 5th, 2020. Wow. Are you watching this pre-market action? Are you seeing what Bitcoin is doing? Silver? The dollar? Well, we're going to talk about all this right now. So, look, it is clear as can be that right now this market is pricing in a Senate which remains in Republican control and a Biden presidency. And this market is getting ready to skyrocket. Let's talk about a couple of other things here that are skyrocketing. Bitcoin is near 15,000. No surprise to a single one of you that follows this blog, and it's going much higher. Much higher. I cannot stress that enough. Silver is up over 4%. Gold is catching a nice bit, and the dollar is getting decimated right now. I mean, that's the picture. No surprise. Again, nothing here is a surprise to you if you follow this blog. This is something I've explained would happen as we move forward here. Look, para-freaking-bolic debt. That's the only thing that this market cares about. That's the truth. And if Biden does pull off a win here, parabolic debt is going to be the name of the game. Very dollar negative, which is stock market positive. Very positive for gold. Very positive for silver. Very positive for cryptocurrencies. In this market, the market is going to rip higher like you have no idea. I think this stock market could hit heights that I think is going to shock people moving forward, especially, again, if we get a trade deal, something real, not this rhetoric that we've been hearing now for years. Oh, it's happening tomorrow. Oh, maybe not. Maybe today. Oh, maybe not. It's going great. No. We're in love. No, we're not. I mean, come on. Enough of this. Seriously. And the other part of this is I still firmly believe that a massive, epic stimulus package is going to be put forward, trillions of dollars. Again, of course, this is an installment plan. Those of you out here that want that $1,200 check, it might even be higher than that, are going to get it. But it's all an effort to prop up the stock market. That's all this is. It's going to continue down this pathway until it doesn't. Period. The freaking end. The 10-year yield has dropped a little bit, 0.75, but look at the dollar. I've explained to you there is a compensatory mechanism here, people. Yes, the 10-year yield has come down a little bit because we're going to get suppressed rates from here to eternity. We know that. All right? And the epic debt acquisition, again, on an unprecedented scale that's coming down the pike here, it's massively dollar negative. This has not pushed the Federal Reserve off their path. The Federal Reserve is determined to kill the dollar in its current form. Nothing has changed. As a matter of fact, it's going to accelerate. It's going to accelerate moving forward. A digital dollar is coming. Period. The end. The Fed moving higher up on that pyramid. They are fulfilling their endgame to be the buyer and lender of last resort. And that's where we are going here, people. Look, we have an economy in absolute free fall. We are in meltdown. I was at one of the outlet malls here in Vegas yesterday. It was a ghost town. Stores were closed all over the place. I'm walking around here going, wow, this is almost like a science fiction movie. There is no recovery whatsoever. That lie has been exposed. Super V, whatever. Come on. Who bought that? Not you. I know you didn't buy it. Some people did because they had no choice because they're brainwashed. But the fact of the matter is, we are in an economic collapse on an epic scale, and it's global. It is global. It started way before the coronavirus. And I exposed the lie of the booming recovery, a booming economy, way before that. Come on, man. It's time to get with the program. Anyway, look. With this whole other thing here, look, we have as yet to pick a president, but the market is pricing this in. It could not be more evident. If the market gets it wrong, let me just put this out there. So, right now, clearly, market is pricing in a Senate, Republican-controlled, and a Joe Biden presidency, which is massively stock market positive from every angle you want to look at it. But if the market gets this wrong and President Trump pulls off a win, short this market. Get ready to go all in short. Market will drop big. So be ready for that too. But I sincerely doubt it. I could be wrong, but look, I don't care. Again, I told you, I don't care who wins the election. Doesn't matter to me. If you have to live your life fixated on who's the president, well, you're in the wrong spot here. Okay, this is all a distraction. It's theater. Presidents, kings, queens, monarchs, dictators do not run the world. It's the banks. And once you realize that, you'll get it on the right side. Until that time, you're going to end up broke, destitute, not knowing which way you're going, which way is up or down, backwards or sideways. It should be very easy to understand. Anyway, hopefully we'll get an answer to what's happening here very soon. And if it is confirmed that Biden won and we have a divided Senate here, Republican-controlled Senate, expect stocks to go much higher. Expect gold and silver to go much higher. Cryptocurrencies to go much higher. That's the way it's going to go. And the dollar is going to get crushed. So just be ready for it. Be ready for all of it, my lovely friends. All right, that's it. I think this has been an important video. Please share it. Get it out there. And I will see you at the end of the day. It's going to be just lovely.